morning, my little bachas. How are you all? Hope you all are keeping fit and fine. I'm your Sarita ma'am. Today, in numeracy space, we will learn two new topics. The first one, a new shape, that is flower shape, and second one, a new number, that is number 16. First, we will learn about the new shape, that is flower shape. But before that, let us recall the other shapes that you have learned till date. The other four shapes that you have learned till date are semicircle shape, oval shape, diamond shape, and heart shape. Today, we will learn a new shape, that is flower shape. Now, tell me who all have seen flowers and who all likes flowers? Every one of you, right? आप सबको flowers पसंद है ना? Right? Now, tell me the flowers that you have seen, are they all of the same shape? क्या आपने सारे flowers एक ही shape के देखे हैं? No, right? Every flower has a different shape and pattern. So, today we will learn about 5 different shapes of flowers.
Now, let us see the 5 shapes of flowers. This is the first shape. This is the second shape. This is the third shape of flower. This is the fourth shape. And this is the fifth shape.
Aren't all the flowers shaped beautiful? Yes. Okay. Now, tell me kids, in your last numeracy class, which number you have learned? You learned number 15, right? So, which number comes after number 15? Number 16. 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. But before learning about number 16, let us quickly revise numbers 0 to 15.
Number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Now, today we will learn the next number, that is number 16. 1, 6, 16. 16 means 16 objects. So, let us learn about number 16 by counting some objects. Now, let us start counting these blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And after 15, what will come? 16. 16 blocks. Now, let us count and see how many flowers are there in this plate. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 flowers. Let us practice writing number 16 in our class workbook.
You have to write number 16 in your class workbook, page number 76.
Today's date is 30.11.20 and 1616 is a two-digit number. So, the first digit, that is 1, we will write below T, and the second digit, that is 6, we will write below O. So, let's start writing. After leaving some space from above, we will write 1 and make a curve, touch the bottom line and the circle. 1, 6, 16. Again 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. 1, make a slant line, curve, touch the bottom line, go up. 16. 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. Again 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. 1, front line, go up. 16. 1, slant line, touch the bottom line, go up. 16. 1, touch the bottom line, go up. 16. 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. Now you have to keep in mind that all the numbers should touch the bottom line.
In this way, you have to finish writing number 16 in your workbook page. This is page 21 in your homework book. You must have already written number 15 in this. The same way, you have to write number 16 as homework in these two columns.
Now let us discuss an exercise related to flower shape in our class workbook.
On page 15 of your workbook, you will find this picture of flowers where you have to trace them neatly and fill it with beautiful colors of your choice.
I hope you all are clear about the two topics topics that we have covered today, that is flower shape and number 16. See you tomorrow. Till then, take care and bye-bye.